I'm Lauren.
I'm Britt.
And I'm Lindsay.
And today we're going to be taste testing some bizarre food.
It's a video.
Well, then we'll find a way to dodge a smoking gun. So, we'll say a little prayer. But if the answer isn't fair, then call on me. When you need somebody. When you can't stop the tears from falling down.
Okay, our first food that we'll be taste testing is dog ice cream. This one is called Frosty Paws. So,
Everybody ready to try it? Alright, ready?
alright.
Oh.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is a weird
This
texture.
looks like it will taste really good.
Alright, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Bad. Ew. Ew. Okay. That actually seems like it would taste good.
That did not.
swallowed it.
Oh gosh.
Ew.
Okay, well,
That
that was
was-
a 0.
So are we gonna throw that away now?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, no, we'll give it to her dogs.
Oh yeah.
So, since that tasted
What did
so
you drink?
bad, yeah, we're gonna try a drink called Mama Chia, and it's called, what flavor was it?
Raspberry.
Blackberry.
Blackberry something.
Yeah. And inside there's a bunch of chia seeds. I don't want to pour it out on accident. Okay.
Alright, everybody ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. It really has
Ew.
no taste to it.
But it has
It's
the
not that
consistency of throw up.
Yeah. It's really healthy on the plus side.
I think we just didn't like the last thing.
Honestly though, I taste like I'm drinking spit.
Okay, that just ruined it.
Okay, what do y'all want to try next?
Macaroons. Okay, now we're gonna try some macaroons.
Okay.
Hey, we need to be a little slower.
This is mine.
This one, these two are mine.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys. So, what flavors do you have? Maybe you remember.
Maybe coffee and maybe chocolate.
And I think I have raspberry and lemon.
I think I also have chocolate and coffee.
So let's try one of them. I'm gonna try the raspberry first.
Okay. Ew.
I like it.
I actually like it.
I like it.
Okay.
Y'all are doing chocolate.
This one's actually not that bad.
This one tastes like lemon.
I like this one better.
I probably like this one better too, just because it's not as
Same.
sweet.
Yeah.
Y'all would think that the chocolate one would be sweeter. That could be. Okay.
It smells like chocolate. It has a consistency of fat.
Okay. What do you want
Next. Dragon fruit?
Yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna try some rare fruit called dragon fruit.
It's rare.
It's really popular in Asia. Here's what it looks like.
I'm really
you're supposed to
excited
just-
to try this.
Here's spoons.
It smells like water.
It doesn't really
Okay.
have a smell.
Water.
Alright, everyone dig in.
I do not like it at all. Ew. If you have never tried this, you are not missing out.
Honestly, does it taste like anything?
No,
No.
but the consistency.
It's like that cheese thing.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like it. The consistency is like spit.
I'm really disappointed in my
Oh.
dragon fruit.
Me too. Okay.
I was so excited.
Ew. Ew.
Right, at least we didn't save it for last.
So far,
Yeah,
nothing
bigger.
has really been that good.
No.
Yeah, so now we're gonna try these Spanish. Anyone want to try to say that?
Sour
Sobretones.
tones.
This is chili and lime flavored for only $2
At your local
Walmart.
We are not sponsored from this video, just by popular belief. Okay, we're not ready.
1, 2, 3. I like this one.
Same.
Wafu.
This is good.
It smells like jalapenos.
I would eat more of those.
Same.
Tastes like chips.
Okay,
I recommend. Those are my favorite so far.
same. Now, we're gonna try some Gerber Puffs, strawberry, apple.
Gerber.
These are for little babies, but we
Our big babies.
yeah.
I got a handful. You got.
Okay, me too.
All right, ready?
1, 2, 3.
yeah.
They smell like strawberries.
I like them.
It tastes like cereal.
I would
really
eat
does.
this.
It tastes like cereal.
Yeah, I would eat this as a snack. Let's see how much calories.
80.
Only 25 calories.
Oh.
If you want a good
Skinny baby.
skinny baby.
There you go.
Okay.
I'm good with them.
Yeah. That was strawberry apple, by the way.
And it smelled like strawberries.
Okay.
And apple.
Thanks.
When you're low and your knees can't rise, you feel helpless and you're looking to the sky.